everyone, and welcome to the official launch of Dahua Xinghan large-scale AI models. I'm your host, Danny, from the Dahua Overseas Product Marketing team. Today isn't just an unveiling. We're here to introduce a bold new vision for AI and security, one rooted in decades of engineering technology and now realized through the launch of Shinghan. Let me ask you something. Do you remember the hours, sometimes even days, spent manually reviewing surveillance footage? Scrolling through endless videos and switching between cameras, hoping to catch that one critical moment. It's exhausting and all too easy to miss something important. Now, imagine this instead. You search for a target as easily as using a search engine. Instantly, Shinghan has found the clips you need. This isn't just smarter surveillance. It's surveillance that thinks with you. A second brain, one that understands context, adapts, and reasons with your needs. Behind it lies the power of large-scale AI models with countless algorithms working together. If this simple example has piqued your interest in Shinghan's capabilities, then keep watching. We're just getting started. So, why now? Artificial intelligence is redefining industries, and the pace of innovation is staggering. For our more tech-savvy folk, we're facing challenges like data fragmentation and complexity. While general-purpose models like ChatGPT and DeepSeek may capture headlines and potentially broaden understanding, real-world applications, especially in security, demand precision, speed, and reliability. This is where Shinghan large-scale AI model stands out, specialized for security industry, where every second counts. Since 2006, Dahua has been at the forefront of the industry, creating one of the earliest dedicated AI teams. This long-term commitment has driven our continuous evolution, integrating deep learning, AIoT, and edge computing to address real-world challenges. By 2019, we deeply explored transformer architecture, technology allowing our systems to understand context and connections in data, like understanding an entire image instead of just a single object, laying the groundwork for vision-centric VIT models and today's large-scale AI systems. This deep expertise led us to found China's AI Research Institute in 2021, where we accelerated breakthroughs in large-scale AI. The result of this journey is Shinghan. This transformative platform is the culmination of our history of innovation, delivering powerful, large-scale AI models built on a foundation of multimodal perception and domain-specific expertise. Shinghan means galaxy in Chinese, a name that reflects both scale and intelligence. It's designed to process complex data across vast scenarios, delivering insights that drive smarter decisions. An AI platform built for the complexities of the modern world. Shinghan offers powerful visual analysis and multimodal learning to deliver actionable insights. Our technology is built on years of industry experience, providing you with a reliable and field-proven solution. It's more than just human-computer interaction. We are enabling true human-AI collaboration. At the core of Shinghan are three tightly integrated core AI engines. Vision models see and understand what's happening. Multimodal models connect images, text, video, and other types of information into unified insights. Language models understand and reason with natural language. Together, they create a powerful, scalable intelligence system purpose-built for the real world. Let's take a closer look at the Shinghan vision models, the powerful visual analysis engine with deep contextual comprehension. They act as more than just eyes. They're an entire visual system connected to a brain, allowing them to interpret complex scenes with true perception, recognizing objects, behaviors, and intent, and ultimately understanding the full context behind what's happening. To build this level of intelligence, we use a 3-stage training process. Each stage sharpens the model's ability to visualize, understand, and act with precision. First, we begin with hundreds of millions of unlabeled images for unsupervised pre-training. This gives the model a broad foundational knowledge across countless visual scenarios, teaching it to recognize and categorize the world around it. At this stage, the model has wide-ranging knowledge, but is still shallow in detail. Next, we move to supervised training using labeled data. Here, we train the model to be highly specific and task-oriented, ready to accurately detect people, vehicles, and nuanced behaviors. This is where the model learns its professional skills, ensuring precision and reliability. Finally, we apply knowledge distillation, fine-tuning, and quantization. This is where we optimize the model to become leaner, faster, and more efficient. The result is a high-performance AI that can run smoothly on edge devices, making our solution not just intelligent, but practical and deployable anywhere. Now, let's talk about perimeter protection, a critical frontline for many security systems. Traditional AI and CNN-based algorithms have served us well, but they face fundamental limitations. They often miss small targets at long distances, and they struggle with frequent false alarms triggered by birds, falling leaves, shadows, or shifting light. On top of that, they lack precision when it comes to animal detection. They can't tell a cat from a tiger or a sheep from a deer. These pain points create inefficiencies and risks. Shinghan vision models were built to solve these challenges, and the results speak for themselves. Before we go any further, let's take a moment to see Shinghan vision models in action. Longer detection distance for perimeter protection. This video is showing the result with the latest IPC5 series with Shinghan. It can detect targets as small as 20 by 20 pixels, a size that CNN models often miss completely. Compared to conventional CNN-based AI, Shinghan extends detection range by up to 50%, while still maintaining 98% accuracy, even in complex real-world conditions, and it reduces the false alarm rate by 92%. Shinghan vision models incorporate WizColor technology, significantly enhancing detection distances at night. One of Shinghan's most impressive advancements is its ability to differentiate between animals. Whether it's a cat or a lion, a dog or a deer, a bird or a monkey, the models know the difference. This opens up powerful new applications across farms, residential, and road scenarios. The Shinghan vision models can detect specific animals and trigger timely alarms, protecting the safety of people, animals, and property. Another key advancement in perimeter protection that redefines how you configure it is AI Rule Assist. Traditionally, setting up intrusion rules required professionals to manually draw restriction zones, a time-consuming and error-prone process. But with AI Rule Assist, that all changes. Powered by Shinghan vision models, it automatically analyzes the scene and suggests the optimal configurations for you. This dramatically speeds up deployment, even for layouts with corners, curves, or irregular boundaries, while delivering more accurate and consistent protection from the start. This is an industry-first breakthrough that sets a new benchmark for smart and efficient perimeter configuration. Let's talk tracking. Traditional CNN-based tracking systems often fail when a target changes posture, is partially obscured, or appears in vertical viewing angles. They lose the target during occlusion and struggle to maintain accuracy in varied perspectives. Here's where we introduce WizTracking, a next-generation tracking algorithm powered by the Shinghan vision models framework. It determines whether it's the same target by matching feature vector values, a set of numerical measurements that represent the unique characteristics of a person's appearance, such as shape, color, and spatial patterns. This enables the system to recognize individuals even if they're partially hidden or adopt different postures. With human body key point tracking, the camera matches the same individual, their feature vector values, before and after occlusion. For example, when they walk behind a parked car. Traditional CNN-based AI often loses the subject entirely in these cases. WizTracking also adapts to vertical scenes, such as overhead views in lobbies or stairwells, where conventional algorithms typically fail. Now let's explore a challenging scenario. It's New Year's Eve. The city square is alive with energy. Thousands of people gather in the square to celebrate. For the security team, one sudden surge could turn celebration into chaos. Thousands of people are moving in and out, and in such dense crowds, danger can arise in seconds. How do you spot congestion instantly? How do you take action before danger happens? This is precisely where Shinghan Vision Model's Crowd Map steps in. Shinghan's Crowd Map is a powerful upgrade from traditional CNN-based AI. It delivers precise detection at an entirely new scale. It significantly improves the detection rate of small pixel targets, even as tiny as 10 by 10 pixels in dense environments, with accuracy increased to 90%. At 20 by 20 pixels, that accuracy climbs even higher, reaching up to 95%. Detection range is 2 times farther and supports detecting up to 5,000 people. On rainy days, the umbrella model's compensation technology can count the number of people holding umbrellas, further improving the accuracy of people counting. Detection accuracy is greatly improved, even in low-light night conditions. This isn't just about counting people. It's about large-scale crowd management intelligence. Whether at a train station, beach, or festival ground, this represents the future of safe and intelligent crowd management, designed for the scale and speed of the modern world. In the real world, lighting consistently shifts from time, weather, and environment. Static camera settings can't maintain optimal performances over extended periods. Trained on billions of real-world scenarios, Shinghan vision models analyze both scene features and lighting conditions. They intelligently recognize scene types and automatically adjust WDR settings, turning them on or off as needed, to ensure optimal image clarity as lighting changes throughout the day. No manual configuration required. As I mentioned earlier, Shinghan vision models are the powerful visual analysis and contextual comprehension engine. Their immediate application will be in our frontline devices, IPCs and PTZs. They are no longer just cameras, they're intelligent agents at the front end. Our IPC 3, 5, and 7 series, Hubble series, and certain PTZ models are all equipped with Shinghan vision models. But it doesn't stop there. Shinghan vision models also operate in edge servers. From end to edge, every layer of our hardware will be powered by Shinghan, delivering a truly closed-loop experience that's faster, smarter, and more aware. From tracking a single person to safeguarding an entire city, Shinghan is reshaping how intelligent systems connect with their environment. Most conventional AI models can only process one type of data, just text, just images, or just video. But the real world is a fusion of sights, sounds, actions, and context. To understand it, AI must go beyond single modality limitations. That's where Xinghan multimodal models come in. Xinghan sees, reads, and understands all at once. At its core lies a breakthrough capability, connecting text, images, videos, and other information into one unified understanding. With Xinghan multimodal models, you can search videos using natural language, set alarms by describing behaviors or scenes, enable systems that evolve through continuous learning from multiple data sources. One of the most exciting applications of Xinghan's multimodal capabilities is WizSeek, our natural language video retrieval tool. It takes the powerful cross-modal understanding you just saw and applies it directly to real-world investigative work. Simply type what you're looking for and the system finds it across recorded footage. This marks the evolution from basic motion detection to true semantic understanding, making video investigations faster and more intuitive. Let me take you behind the scenes to the technology that makes it all possible. When a camera captures footage, the system immediately encodes key features, object categories, colors, outlines, shapes, even posture and spatial relationships. All of this becomes structured information stored in the searchable database. Then, when you type in a search query, the system parses the sentence into key components: keywords, grammar, word order, and semantic meaning. It understands the intent. Next, the modal aligns features from both the image and text to find the closest match in historical footage. And then you get the footage you were searching for. Fast, intuitive, AI-powered video retrieval. Because WizSeek understands both static attributes and dynamic behaviors, you can search across people, vehicles, animals, and objects, even complex queries like a person in black running near a red car. With high accuracy, you'll quickly find the footage you need. You can refine your search directly on the results page to narrow down even further. And best of all, the entire experience is so intuitive anyone can use it. WizSeek and AccuPick are powerful on their own, but together they deliver an end-to-end investigative experience. Start with WizSeek. Describe what you're looking for. It instantly returns matches from massive video archives, no pre-tagging or manual scrubbing. Then, AccuPick. Once the right target is found, it traces their movements across multiple cameras and time points, even without prior marking. One-click follow tracked their trajectory through the entire scene with a single click. From finding to following, it's fast, intuitive, and complete. Now that we've seen how effortless video retrieval can be with WizSeek, let's look at another groundbreaking experience unlocked by Xinghan multimodal models: text-defined alarms. That's right, we're talking about creating alarm rules through natural language. Traditional pre-alarm setup has always been challenging. Algorithms were rigid, costly to develop, and slow to customize, often taking weeks or months. Text-defined alarms directly solve these problems. Imagine needing to detect a person using a mobile phone while crossing a zebra crossing. With Xinghan text-defined alarms, you simply type that sentence. Here's what happens. Your text is transformed by the multimodal models into a detection algorithm. Live video is analyzed, extracting key features and converting them into searchable patterns. In real time, the system matches the patterns from your description with what's happening in the video. When they align, the alarm triggers instantly. With traditional systems, creating a new detection algorithm could mean several weeks of work: data collection, annotation, model training, and deployment. Xinghan can break that cycle with just one sentence. You describe the alarm requirement and the system instantly models, generates, and deploys the detection logic across devices. This eliminates complex coding and deployment cycles, making security setup dramatically faster, more flexible, and instantly scalable. Previously, refining an algorithm meant collecting false alarm data, shipping it to a central facility, retraining models, and waiting weeks for deployment. Text-defined alarms enable on-device self-learning. When an alarm triggers, operators can mark it true or false. That feedback is applied instantly, refining the algorithm right on the device. No server or cloud required. With every correction, your system becomes smarter, more accurate, and more in tune with your needs. It's AI that evolves with you. With WizTracking and text-defined alarms, we're only scratching the surface of Shinghan multimodal model's potential. Soon, you'll see features that go even further. Video-to-text narration. The system will describe what it sees, turning footage into detailed contextual text reports. Audio-to-text transcription. The system will capture conversations and instantly transcribe them, providing a complete record of what was said. These are the next steps, where your security system doesn't just record events, it explains them. That's the promise of Shinghan. Now that we've explored how Shinghan multimodal models and how they transform real-world applications, let's talk about where all that intelligence actually runs. Here comes our NVRs, IVDs, and IVSS, purpose-built to unleash the full potential of our large-scale AI models. Now let's explore the third engine of Shinghan, the language models. Unlike traditional language models trained on general web data, Shinghan language models are deeply rooted in domain-specific knowledge. They don't just understand language, they understand the language of your industry. Whether it's city management, public security, transportation, or logistics, this model has been trained with real-world workflows, terminology, and business logic. This allows it to break down complex tasks, understand instructions, and coordinate full processes, essentially acting as an intelligent agent. From a single sentence, it can plan actions, call the right tools, coordinate devices, and deliver results, all by itself. In short, Shinghan language models is more than just a chatbot. It's an intelligent agent, one that thinks, plans, and acts. Deploy Shinghan. Simpler than you think. Deploying Shinghan is fast and straightforward. Whether you're upgrading existing legacy systems or building entirely new AIoT platforms, it's as simple as 3 steps. First, select your devices. Second, activate the AI. And third, start seeing results immediately. Now let's explore the 3 main deployment paths available. We'll begin with the first path, single device intelligence. Here, Shinghan powers cameras and NVRs to function as intelligent standalone devices. This setup is perfect for smaller locations like shops or remote sites, where quick security upgrades are needed without complex infrastructure. With this approach, your CCTV system becomes smarter locally, delivering instant insights right where you need them. Next, we have the centralized command path. This creates a unified intelligence hub using an intelligent analytics server that supports non-AI cameras. This unlocks powerful capabilities such as cross-camera tracking, which allows you to follow a target across multiple zones. It also enables multimodal analysis, combining different types of data and self-optimizing performance that improves over time. This approach is ideal for larger environments like factories, campus networks, or multi-building complexes where centralized oversight is critical. Finally, the hybrid edge center path combines the best of both worlds. Edge nodes provide real-time alerts, like theft or danger detection, right at the source. Meanwhile, the system seamlessly manages operations across multiple regions, all coordinated through the Intelligent Analytics Server and Management Suite. This setup offers full control and scalability for complex distributed environments. The Xinghan large-scale AI models is reshaping industries through deeply integrated multimodal intelligence, committed to moving beyond traditional fragmented AI to achieve unified and tangible business transformation. In the fields of electric power and mining, it significantly reduces false alarms, enables remote inspections, and enhances safety, empowering smarter and more reliable operations. In public security, Xinghan achieves full scene understanding, recognizing objects, interpreting behaviors, and detecting intrusions in complex scenarios, thereby enabling enhanced situational awareness and rapid response capabilities. For smart traffic and social governance, it supports real-time congestion monitoring, incident detection, and addressing city challenges, helping build cleaner, safer, and more efficient cities. Across industrial parks, Xinghan integrates personnel, assets, and processes into a unified intelligent platform, strengthening safety management while advancing low-carbon operations. Xinghan is not just AI. It is proactive intelligence built for a smarter, more interconnected world. It will continue to redefine global intelligent operations, drive sustainable growth, enable autonomous decision-making, and usher in a new era of synergistic intelligence, where artificial intelligence and human potential seamlessly collaborate. What you've seen today, from perimeter protection and WizSeek to WizTracking and text-defined alarms, is just the beginning. We're entering an era where AI does more than just process data. It understands, reasons, and acts. At Dahua, we believe the future of AI goes far beyond today's imagination. With Xinghan at the core, we will continue to push boundaries in AIoT, expanding our business scope, creating new values, and driving industry transformation on a broader scale. This is more than technology. It's about changing how we work, helping you make decisions faster, streamline operations, and unlock more value from your data like never before. Built on trust, security, advanced models, and deep industry know-how, we're here to help build smarter cities, safer infrastructure, and more flexible operations. Real progress happens when great tools meet the people who use them well. This is the new paradigm of human-AI collaboration, and it starts now, together.